Festive food calendar. No matter what time of the year, food and festivals go hand in hand. On the 25th of January, Scotland honours its most famous poet, Robert Burns. Scottish people eat a special dinner, in which the main course is haggis. The Scottish celebrate Hogmanay on the 31st of December. On this day, they eat traditional Scottish food, such as shortbread and Dundee cake. May is the month when the people of Teramo, Italy, celebrate Sagra del Virtù. They prepare minestrone, a kind of thick soup made with fresh spring vegetables. In Finland and Sweden, people celebrate midsummer on the Saturday between the 20th and 26th of June. They eat smoked pickled fish with boiled potatoes and then strawberries with cream for dessert. Independence Day is a huge feast in the United States, and it takes place on the 4th of July. There are firework displays, and people enjoy barbecues and picnics. The Notting Hill Carnival is a huge street festival that takes place in London at the end of August every year. There are many stalls selling jerk chicken, a tasty Caribbean dish. Bonfire Night, also called Guy Fawkes Night, is on the 5th of November. People eat potatoes baked in the ashes of the fire, cinder toffee, and a sticky cake called parkin.